Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to fix PolyBuzz app not working problem. How to fix that is very simple. Number one, here's a quick fix checklist. Check internet connection and service status. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Try opening the website to confirm. If messaging or chat aren't loading and many users report the same issue, it may be a PolyBuzz server outage. These has happened periodically and is typically resolved within hours to a few days. 2. Restart and kill background processes. Let's close the PolyBuzz app, then reopen it. For iOS, use the app switcher to swipe up on PolyBuzz. On Android, you can also force stop via settings, click on apps, and click on PolyBuzz. Particularly helpful if the app freezes during scrolling or sending messages. Step 3 is to update and reinstall the app, so make sure you're on the latest version of PolyBuzz. For Google Play Store, Android, App Store, head over to Profile, head over to Available Updates for iOS. If problems persist, uninstall and reinstall. Another step is to clear app cache for Android only. So go to Settings, go to Apps, go to PolyBuzz, go to Storage and Cache, go to Clear Cache or Clear Data. This removes stale or corrupted data that might block network or chat features. Step 5, disable VPN or proxy. VPNs and proxies may interfere with connection to PolyBuzz servers, so turn them off, then retry. Step 6, try web version or a different browser. If the app isn't responsive or censored words appear, switch to browsing via web. Visit polybuzz.ai using a different browser, example Chrome or Brave. These can bypass mobile app box and offer more stable chat performance. Then 7, workaround chat freeze or input bugs. Users report that typing paragraph sometimes fails to send. To exit the chat, re-enter it and resend the message, or highlight or edit the text field before typing again. Go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course, once you're done, you will be good to go. I hope that this tutorial marvelously helped you search. Now, if you still can't access your account, chats are permanently missing, or login fails repeatedly even after reinstalling, reach out to PolyBuzz support or use the in-app feedback official support email or third-party support portals like App Contactor.